So you've noticed that your miHealth comes with a set of adapters, and they might look a little strange to you in the beginning. So we have some travel adapters for different countries, and then you have this block here. And the way this is set up is you pick your adapter for your country, so this is for the US, and then you're going to place it onto the block. And you'll see it fits only in one way really. Then what you're going to do is press it in and click so it locks. And that is your block. And then you take your miHealth cord, your USB cord, and you simply plug it in. This way you can charge your miHealth into a wall socket and use the other side to connect to your miHealth. If ever you're traveling or for whatever reason you need to change the type of outlet, you can press on this little button down here, move it to the left, and you're all set. So you can do this again. There's plug for Europe, etc. So I'm going to put the US back on. And again, put the little disc on, press in, and turn, and it locks. And you can see the lock and the open indicators here, and then the USB connection. All right, hope this helps.